graphical solution of quadratics. So here we are going to discuss about the graphical solution of quadratics under the advanced level. So here in this graphical representation of the quadratic equations, that is, first of all we are going to draw the graph of y is equals to x square. Then by utilizing this y is equals to x square graph, we will find out the solution of a quadratic equation. So here an illustration, that is an example. Using graph, that is y equals to x square, solve the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Solution starts now. So in our graph, first of all we are going to draw the graph of y equals to x square. We are going to assume the values of x as minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, whereas here the x and as well as the y values are. So we are going to assume the, first of all we are going to assume the x value as minus 3, but the given condition, the given graph is of y is equals to x square. By replacing x by means of minus 3, that is minus 3 whole square, minus must be repeatedly multiplied twice, that is minus into minus is of plus, that is of y value. Then now 3 square, 3 3s is of 9. Then now when we assume x value as minus 3, we got the y value as plus 9. Then now, so we assume the x value as minus 2. Then in order to find out the y value, so we have to replace x in the place of, instead of x we have to replace by means of minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square. Minus repeatedly multiplied twice, so minus into minus is of plus, so 2 square is of 4. Then when we assume x as minus 1, then now minus 1 whole square, minus into minus is of plus, then now 1 square is of 1 again. Then now if it is of 0, that is 0 square is of 0 again. Then a positive 1, so we are going to assume the x value as positive 1, that is 1 square is of 1 again. Then now if we assume the x value as plus 2, then now x value as plus 2 in this y is equals to x square condition, 2 square is of 4 with positive sign. Then now if it is of 3, that is positive 3, so plus 3 square is of plus 9, 3 square, 3 3 is of 9. So in this manner we got the ordered pairs as minus 3 comma 9, minus 2 comma 4, minus 1 comma 1 and 0 comma 0 and so on. Then now, so here we are going to solve the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 3x plus 2. Then the next quadratic equation is of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. But as per the condition, so y is equals to x square can be replaced by means of y. So whereas in this quadratic equation I am going to replace this x square by means of y. So here that implies y in the place of x square, then now minus 3x written as it is, then now plus 2 equals to 0. So here we got this condition at y equals to x square. Then now, so that implies y is equals to, so here I am going to transpose minus 3x on the other hand and as well as plus 2 on the right hand side. When minus 3x is transposed over to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3x, and plus 2, when it is transposed over to the right hand side, it becomes minus 2. So in this manner I got y equals to 3x minus 2. Then now, so in the similar manner I am going to assume x value as first of all minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, and similarly and so on. So here in the first condition, at x is equals to minus 3, then now here y will be of, so here y equals to 3 into x. So here 3 into x value is of minus 3 minus 2, that equals to minus 3 3s is of 9, then now minus 2. So here by simplifying further, we got minus of minus is plus, we have to add up, 9 plus 2 is of 11, 9 is greater than 2, 9 is sign is of minus. So here in this manner we got y equals to minus 11. So that implies y equals to minus 11. Then the ordered pair will be of x value is of minus 3, OP, the ordered pair, the first ordered pair will be of x value is of minus 3, comma, y value is of minus 11. So this is the first ordered pair, and the given condition is of y equals to 3x minus 2. Then now we are going to replace x by means of minus 2 in the next equation. Y is equals to 3x minus 2. So here y equals to 3x minus 2. Then now we are going to replace at x is equals to minus 2. Then now, so that implies, so here 3 into x, that is 3 into x value by means of minus 2, then now minus 2 written as it is. So that implies, so minus 3 into 2 is of 6, then now minus 2 written as it is. So simplifying further, we will be getting it as minus of minus is plus, we have to add up, 6 plus 2 is of 8. Then now among these two, 6 is greater than 2, 6 sign is of minus sign. So here therefore it asserts the sign of minus. So in this manner we got, so here y is equals to minus 8. So therefore the OP, that is ordered pair. So here the next ordered pair is of x value is of minus 2 and the y value will be of minus 8. And in a similar manner we have to substitute in the given condition, that is y is equals to 3x minus 2 at x equals to minus 1. Then now that implies 3 into x value is of minus 1 minus 2. So that implies minus 3 into 1 is of 3, then now minus 2. So that equals to minus of minus is plus, we have to add up, 3 plus 2 is of 5, then now 3 is greater than 2, 3 sign is of negative. So in this manner we got the y value as minus 5. Then the next OP, that is ordered pair, third order pair will be of x value is of minus 1, then now y value is of minus 5. Then now at x equals to 0, then the condition is of y equals to 3x minus 2. So that implies, so 3 into x value is of 0 minus 2. So that implies, so 3 into 0 is of 0, then now minus 2 written as it is. We can struck off this 0, so here only minus 2 is left over. Therefore the y value is of minus 2. So y is of minus 2, then the ordered pair is of x value, when x value is of 0, then the y value is of minus 2. Then the next ordered pair will be of, so here at x equals to 1, at x equals to 1, so here y is equals to, the condition is of 3x minus 2, then now that implies, so 3 into x value is of 1 minus 2 written as it is, then that equals to, so here 3 into 1 is of 3, then now minus 2 written as it is, but 3 minus 2 is of 1. So in this manner we got, so here y is equals to 1, then the OP, that is ordered pair, is of, so x value is of 1 and the y value is also of 1. Then now in the next condition, at x equals to 2, so here the next condition is of y is equals to 3x minus 2, so that implies 3 into x value is of 2 minus 2 written as it is, that implies 3 2s is of 6, then now minus 2 written as it is, but 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So in this manner we got y value as 4, positive 4, and the OP, that is ordered pair, is of 2 comma, then now y value as 4. So in the similar manner, let us suppose at x equals to 3, that is positive 3, then the condition is of y is equals to 3x minus 2, then that implies, so 3 into x value is of 3 minus 2, that is equals to, or that implies 3 3 is of 9 minus 2 written as it is, that is 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So here in this manner we got y is equals to 7, then the OP, that is ordered pair, is of x value is of 3, then the y value is of 7. So here x and y values, so we are going to replace in the tabular form. So in the first case, at x is equals to minus 1, so at x is equals to minus 3, first ordered pair is of minus 3 comma minus 11. When x is of minus 3, then y value is of minus 11. Then now the next ordered pair, second ordered pair is of minus 2 comma minus 8. When x value is of minus 2, y value is of minus 8. Then the third ordered pair, minus 1 comma minus 5, x is of minus 1, then y value will be of minus 5. Then the next case, 0 comma minus 2, when x is of 0, then y value will be of minus 2. Next case, 1 comma 1. So when x value is of, when x is of minus 1, then the y value is also of 1. Then when x is of 2, then y is of 4. When x is of 3, then the y value is of 7.